Assalamu alaikum CSS aspirants. Okay, today's our topic is climate and weather. Weather describes the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time. For example, from day to day or week to week, while climate describes average conditions over a longer period of time. Humidity, air temperature, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, cloud cover and type, and the amount and form of precipitation are all atmospheric characteristics of the momentary conditions we call weather. It has been said that climate is what we expect. Weather is what you get. In other words, you can expect snow in marine January, but you may or may not get it on a particular day. The climate of an area or country is known through the average weather over a long period of time. If an area has more dry days throughout the year than wet days, it would be described as a dry climate. A place which has more cold days than hot days would make it known to have a cold climate. Elements of weather and climate. Following are the elements of weather and climate: temperature, humidity, pressure, prediction, predication, winds and clouds. Temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold the atmosphere is. How many degrees Celsius centigrade it is above or below freezing 0 degrees Celsius. Temperature is a very important factor in determining the weather because it influences or controls other elements of the weather such as precipitation, humidity, clouds and atmospheric pressure. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor results from evaporation and transpiration. Humidity is measured in terms of grams per cubic meters. The amount of water vapor in a volume of air or atmosphere is known as absolute humidity. The amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere air compared to that when the air is fully saturated is known as relative humidity. Precipitation is a term given to moisture that falls from the air to the ground. Precipitation includes snow, hail, sleet, drizzle, fog, mist, and rain. Atmospheric pressure or air pressure is the weight of air resting on the Earth's surface. Pressure is shown on weather map, often called a synoptic map, with lines called isobars. The wind is the movement of air masses from high pressure areas highs to low pressure areas lows. Cloud can be referred as a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere, typically high above the ground. Condensation or deposition of water above the Earth's surface creates clouds in general. Clouds develop in any air mass that becomes